So the time has come to marry the 4L60E to the LT1 motor and put it in the 4th gen Camaro. Let's get it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Kevin again with Yarkit Racing. We are back in the garage again today for another one on the Camaro build series. This time around we're going to marry the LT1 motor to the 4L60E transmission and put it in the car over there. We still got to put the flex plate on, our starter, a few odd and end things, and then shove it back in the car, get everything tightened up in there and situated, and we will be good to go. So that's what we're working on today. Let's get it, guys. Alright guys, so we got our engine crane hooked up to the engine. Next step is just get this off of the stand and then put our flywheel on so we can get the transmission bolted up. Alright, let's get it. Alright guys, so we got our engine off the stand over there. We got our SFI approved flex plate here. We got our ARP bolts. And per the instructions, we are going to use the blue Loctite 242, which I crossed over to the 24240 of the Permatex brand. So we'll run that on the threads, and then we're going to put the torque fastener assembly lube from ARP underneath the heads of the bolts, and with that lube you want to go to 85 foot-pounds. So that's what we're going to be doing. Let's get it done. Alright guys, we got it. Just put the little bar, cheater bar up underneath the edge by the oil filter to hold it. Seemed to work pretty good. 85 pounds hanging, trying to hold the other side of the bear, but we got it. On to the next step. Good God. Well, that's wrong. Try this again with less suck. And there I go again. Oh man, I'm struggling. It's like it's pretty hard to control that big jug. Alright, so we got our transmission fluid down in the torque converter here. Now it's time to go ahead and put that back into the transmission. just like that, guys. We want to drop it in stages. You heard it go 1, 2, and then it finally fell in the rest of the way. So that's all the way seated now. All that's left to do is marry the transmission to the back of the engine. I really hope you're enjoying the video. Just wanted to invite you over to Yurkit Racing Spread Shop, where you can find all sorts of merchandise. You name it, it's probably in there. So go over, find you something you like, take a picture of it in action, and send it to yurkit_offroad@yahoo.com. We could include some of these pictures at the end of our videos and share it with the rest of the community. Every order you place on this site is greatly appreciated. It really goes a long ways to making sure that we're able to continue to bring you content. Alright, so if you stuck around this long, we appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, we have a series that I'll put up here, so maybe you can slide over and check those out if you would like to. We appreciate you stopping through, guys. God bless.